Hello everyone, I am Deepak Shivnani and today I will be taking a class on Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, which is EC2. Today's course objectives are Introduction to Amazon Web Services, what is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, we will see what are Amazon machine images, we will also see the different types of instances and instance families that are available on AWS, as well as we will see how Amazon has distributed its architecture across regions and availability zones. Amazon Web Services. As we are all aware, Amazon Web Services consist of different services that are used to build infrastructure. Amazon Web Services provides computing resources and services that we can use to build application within minutes at a pay-as-you-go pricing. In this, you pay only for the resources that are being consumed by your application. For example, we can rent a server on AWS that we can connect to, configure, secure and run just as a physical server. Only the difference is this virtual server runs on a scalable network that is managed by Amazon. On Amazon we can nearly run anything just as we run on a physical hardware. For example, websites, applications, database, email campaigns and private networks. So here is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web scale computing easier for a developer community. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is a simple web service that allows the user to obtain and configure the capacity with minimal friction, as well as you can boot new server instances within minutes. It provides user with complete control of computing resources and lets it run on Amazon Pro computing environment at a very minimal price. Amazon EC2 reduces the time required to obtain and boot new server instances to minutes, allowing to quickly scale up and scale down as per the requirement. Also, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud supports different type of operating systems that are available along with the different versions, as well as it supports different web and major application platforms. You can deploy Liferay, MongoDB, Hadoop, SAP on Amazon. Amazon has divided its architecture across the regions and availability zones for the reliability. You can also monitor the status of your EC2 instance as well as the usage and can track your billing. Amazon Machine Images. Amazon Machine Images is a special type of pre-configured operating system and virtual application software which is used to create virtual machine within Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. It serves as the basic unit of deployment for services delivered using EC2. AMI is a read-only file system image which includes operating system that can be Linux or Windows flavor, as well as any additional hardware, any additional software that you need to deliver your application. We can launch one or more instances from an AMI. An instance might be a web server within a web server cluster or one Hadoop node. Amazon also provides different type of community AMIs as well as the vendor provided AMIs from Bitnami, Alfresco and Microsoft. Different type of instances that are available on Amazon are on-demand instances which you can fire based on your computing requirement. If there is a load of the users on your application, we can auto scale and we can fire the instances. There are other type of instances that are available is called spot instances, for which the bidding has to be done for the EC2 capacity at a lower price. These instances are available for the task which are interruption tolerant. And the last instance which is available on Amazon is for the lower cost and ensures the capacity space in a dedicated availability zone. This again has been divided based on the utilization, heavy utilization, medium utilization as well as the light utilization. As discussed earlier, Amazon architecture has been distributed across the regions and availability zones. You can host your Amazon EC2 in multiple locations worldwide. These locations are composed of different regions, and regions have different availability zone. Each region is a separate geographic area, such as it has been divided across the world. In US we have three regions like North Virginia, Oregon, and San Jose. Similarly, we have the other regions in Singapore, Tokyo, and within these regions you have the different availability zones. These availability zones within a region are connected through the low latency links as shown in the figure. Now we will quickly walk through how to create and launch Amazon EC2 instance using Amazon Console.